So today I'm going to walk you through a trade I took on EURUSD. I'm going to walk you through the reasons why I took the trade. I'm going to show you the risk management I've used and any lessons or things I've learned from the trade. The reason I took the short was, well, if we look at Monday 19th, then using my daily bias method, which I came up with, I am clearly bearish because this was the previous swing low. The previous swing low was broken with a body close, which means that this becomes a swing high. And we have shifted market structure. So now, knowing all of that, I came onto the euro on a Monday looking for shorts because euro is the weaker pair compared to the pound. But since euro GBP is bearish, pound buys make sense and euro USD sells make sense. Hence, I looked for sells. There was also no major news today, which is always a good indication. So coming in here around 7 o'clock in the kill zone, I saw this strong engulfing candle. Jumping down to the 5-minute, it's a very simple entry model. 7 o'clock starts right there. We have a London sweep, Asian sweep right there. We have a break of structure right there. I'm entering at the EQ, so like somewhere there. 6 pips was taken there with a 1% risk on the account. A 1% risk on the account targeting a 1 to 2 R means that an overall of 2% was gained in this trade. Now, some key lessons I took from this trade is that it did come quite close to my stop loss. If you look from here to there, around 1.5. Now on Euro USD, 1.5 pips is pretty manageable. The spread is usually below 1 pip, so I was pretty safe there. But sometimes on maybe GBP USD or other pairs, it's sometimes good to have a slightly larger stop loss for more breathing room. So if we had a 7 pip stop, I'm just curious, would a 2R be hit? Yep, a 2.13 would have been hit even with a 7 pip stop. So just to increase your risk management, increase your psychology, and just don't give yourself a chance of being stopped out and then trade going in your favor. So pretty much that's the lesson I've learned. Just keep your stop sizes big and not very tight, okay? But obviously not as big as like 16 pips because then you're not going to catch a good risk to reward. So that was the trade for today, a Euro USD short. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Happy trading and stay safe.